Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
An estimate is a proposal or quote for work you want to do for a customer. Estimates let you easily transfer their information to an invoice when you are ready to bill the customer without re-entering all of the information from the estimate. To enable estimates and enable copying them to invoices, click the Gear button and then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading. Click the Advanced tab and then click the Automation section. Check the Copy Estimates to Invoices checkbox to enable estimates. Then use the drop-down below that to select the estimates to copy to invoices. You can choose either Copy Accepted Estimates only or Copy Pending and Accepted Estimates. When finished, click the Save button in this section, and then click the Done button in the lower right corner of the window to close it. To create an estimate, click the Create button, and then click the Estimate link under the Customers heading to open the estimate page. Choose the customer from the Choose a Customer drop-down list or select Add New to create a new customer. Directly below the Choose a Customer list, a small clock icon with the term Pending appears. You set the estimate status here. Click the small arrow to show the estimate status drop-down. The estimate status options are Pending, Accepted, Closed, or Rejected. When creating new estimates, Pending is the default. To email the estimate later, check the Send Later checkbox under the Email field. The email, billing address, and shipping address fields contain the information you entered when creating the selected customer's record. The Estimate Date field contains the current date, and you can change it if needed. To set an expiration date for the estimate, enter it into the Expiration Date field. If shipping is enabled, the Ship Via, Shipping Date, and Tracking Number fields also appear. Then enter the estimate's line items into the line items list in the page. To add existing products and services from the Products and Services list, click into the Product Service column and select these items from the drop-down menu. Then enter the quantity into the Quantity column. Enter the rate if needed, and check the checkbox for the tax column if necessary. If classes are enabled and assigned per line item, then choose the class from the Class column. Enter all the products or services for the estimate. Choose the customer's tax rate from the Select a Sales Tax Rate drop-down if needed. If discounts are enabled, you can choose either a discount percent or discount value from the drop-down, and then enter an amount or percentage into the adjacent field. You can click the adjacent blue arrows to switch applying the discount before or after sales tax is calculated as needed. To enter a message that prints on the estimate, type it into the Message Displayed on Estimate field. To enter a note for yourself, type it into the Memo field. To attach files to the estimate, use the Attachments field. The toolbar at the bottom of the window lets you manage the estimate. To print the estimate later, click the Print or Preview button in the toolbar, and then check the Print Later checkbox. To print or preview the estimate, click the Print or Preview link, and then click the Print or Preview command to open a preview window where you can click the print icon to print the estimate. Click the Close button, or click the X button in the upper right corner of the preview window to close it instead if needed. To make a recurring estimate, click the Make Recurring button in the toolbar and then enter the information to set the recurrence schedule into the new window that opens. To switch the custom form style used by the estimate if available, click the Customize button in the toolbar and then select the name of the form style to use from the pop-up menu. After saving an estimate, if you reopen it, you can click the More button that then appears in this toolbar and choose to copy the estimate, delete the estimate, or view the audit history for the estimate by selecting the desired command from the pop-up menu. To save the current estimate, click the Save button at the right end of the toolbar. Clicking the drop-down button at the far right end of the toolbar lets you select from the available saving commands. To send the estimate, choose the Save and Send command. To close the estimate, choose the Save and Close command. To create another new estimate, choose the Save and New command.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.